Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we investigate issues around the world that have been suppressed from the public. Today, we're discussing a man who was secretly convicted and detained in a Canberra prison, known by the pseudonym Alan Johns, or Witness J. We'll discuss the court case and the sentencing details that could be sealed for 20 years due to national security concerns. In December, Guardian Australia reported that the Attorney General, Mark Dreyfus, had cleared a redacted version of the sentencing remarks for release, approved by the Independent National Security Legislation Monitor. The court documents revealed that Johns was sentenced to 2 years and 7 months in prison as an aggregate sentence for 5 charges. However, the Australian government solicitor representing the Attorney General claimed that releasing some of the details would be contrary to the public interest and could endanger the lives or safety of others. Johns's counsel, Joshua Noddle, argued that redactions that are overbroad, unnecessary or which primarily seek to minimize accountability or embarrassment have the potential to undermine public confidence in the administration of justice. On Tuesday, the court canvassed the possibility of appointing a contradictor to argue against the Attorney General's proposed redactions. Christopher Tran, representing the Crown, commented that the suppression of the unredacted remarks should not be perpetual, later adding in court that a period of 20 years might be an appropriate time to reconsider full release. The Chief Justice, Lucy McCallum, indicated she will give judgment on 14th of April about the release of details that parties agreed would not prejudice national security. So why was Alan Johns jailed in complete secrecy? According to reports, the former Commonwealth official had his employment at an unnamed agency terminated due to loss of his security clearance. He was then convicted for offences related to complaints to his former employer that he had been treated unfairly, using what the INSLM referred to as unsecure means to communicate classified information. At the heart of the issue is the balancing of open justice and protecting national security. While it's clear that not all of the sentencing remarks can be released, full transparency is the best way to protect people's rights and to demonstrate that justice is served. All parties deserves access to the court and an open airing of justice regardless of national security. We'll be sure to keep you updated on the court hearing on April 14th when we can learn more about the judge's decision. Until then, make sure you're checking in with us to learn more about all the stories that are suppressed in order to protect national security.